The other one, nya. Okay, now see the difference between nga and nya. What happens? Nga and nya. Okay. Yes? You got it? Nga and nya. Nga and nya. And both of them also kind of little nasik, like nasal. Okay? But there are difference. Nya, nya, ni, ni, nyu, nyu, nye, nyo, nyang. Okay. When you say jnana, panya, right? Yes. This one is the, not panya, it is panya, right? Yeah, panya. Okay, now the curling of the tongue, tapping. Ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, te, to, tongue. Right? The next one, again same procedure but more aspiration. Ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, te, to, tongue. Okay? Now the other one. Da, da, di, di, du, do, de, do, dung. The other one, da, da, di, di, do, do, de, do, dung. Na, na, ni, ni, nu, nu, ne, no, nang. Okay?
That's much better.
Okay. Okay. This one, open tongue. Ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, te, to, tang. Ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, te, to, tang. Da, da, di, di, du, du, de, do, dang. Da, da, di, di, du, du, de, do, dang. Na, na, ni, ni, nu, nu, ne, no, nang. We are almost done. Pa, 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 pi, pi, pu, pu, pe, po, pang. Pa, pa, pi, pi, pu, pu, pe, po, pang. Now see the difference between p and b. Yeah, b is little more profound, right? Kind of, yeah. P is more simple and b is more ghosa. Yeah, they are called ghosa. Ba, ba, bi, bi, bu, bu, be, bo, bang. Bha,
pa,
bha,
pa, pa,
bha,
pa,
bha,
pa,
bha,
pa,
bha, bhi, bhi, bhu, bhu, bhe, bho, bhang, ma, ma, mi, mi, mu, mu, me, mo, mang, ya, ya, yi, yi, yu, yu, ye, yo, yang. This one will be fun. Ra, ra, ri, ri, ru, ru, re, ro, rang. Okay, now this one even more. I think this one is easier, right? La, la, not da, la,
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 la, yeah, la, la, li, li, lu, lu, le, lo, lam. Yeah, you have a Chinese surname, Lu, right? Okay, wa, wa, vi, vi, wu, wu, we, wo, wang, sa, sa, si, si, su, su, se, so, sang, ha, ha, hi, he, hu, hu, he, ho, hang. Now this one, curling and tapping, okay? La, la, li, li, lu, lu, le, lo, lang. Yeah, we did it. You see how it's not easy, right? Yeah, we did a lot of efforts anyway. So today you kind of activated the whole vocal system. Maybe you have some headache or some part of your vocal system is really tired. Yeah, because kind of awakening. Yeah, it is activating. And here I just created some words using those letters. Okay? For example, these are the popular words that we have. So every single word, if you can divide like this, you can categorize them and you can see the difference, and that will be very useful. Buddha, Buddha. You see how Bu, we already know Bu, right? So Bu also is the combination of B and U. And Ud, this is a pure consonant. And Ud, again pure consonant. And then vowel. So this is a consonant B, and then U is a vowel, and then the is a consonant, the also is a consonant, and then is a vowel. Right? So if we use only the pure consonant, it's difficult to pronounce, right? Ub, ub. There are certain African languages, they kind of pronounce like swallowing, ub, like that. Okay, there are some tribal African languages like that. Ub, like it's very difficult to pronounce. But most of our languages are actually we kind of give our air out. Pa, pa, ba, ba, ma, like Buddha. right? B, like that. And here, Buddha. And then the other one. So here is the combination B and U. Bu, D. This is a separate one. And the, DH together. Right? Yes. And then Mag, Ma, Ag, G. Right? Ma. This is Ma and Ma. Ag. And Ug and G. Right? Mag. Sanghasa. Us. Ug. Us. So Sa means us. G means Ug. Us and us. Sanghasa. So can you make some words like this now? You think you can you can categorize or you can classify? You can distinguish the difference between vowels and consonants? You think so? Any question? Yeah. So we mostly use, we can see vowels can stand on its own very easily. Mostly the consonants cannot stand on its own. They can, but it's difficult to pronounce. When we have the help of the vowel, the consonant can be easily pronounced, right? So here, for example, when we say boo, we have the help of u vowel sound, but this one is pure consonant that stands alone. But this one, the is combination of the and right? So Buddha. So everyone, in these words, all the letters are just like that.